Hi, welcome. My name is Paul Goble. I'm the technical project manager here at BlastOne, and today we're going to be walking through the 20,000 CFM dust collector. We're going to do the general inspections before you start, then we're going to run through the actual startup procedures as well as the shutdown procedures. So first things first, you always want to check all the fluid levels. So you're going to start with your hydraulic fluid, your fuel level, your coolant level, and as well as your engine oil level. So the first thing is your hydraulic fluid. You want it nearly full, at least 3/4 of the way full. So now we're going to start the unit. First things first, we always want to open up our bay doors for the dust collector unit. And then after that, we can initiate the starting procedure. So first thing we're going to do is turn the key over. Wait for all the amber and the red lights to disappear, and then turn it over. Before you engage the clutch, you want to make sure the RPMs are at 1100 RPMs for the engine. And then you want to slowly engage the clutch. Once the clutch is engaged, then you can increase the RPMs. For the shutdown procedures, the next thing we're going to do is lower our RPMs back to 1100 RPMs. Once the engine RPMs are down to 1100, we're gonna let it cool down, and once it's cool, we're going to disengage the clutch and the fan. Once the fan and the clutch are disengaged, we're going to go ahead and let the engine cool down as well. This could take up to 3 minutes, and once that's done, we're going to shut the unit off. At the end of the shift, when the unit's shut down, you can clean and pulse the filters utilizing clean dry air. The air's got to be between 75 and 90 psi. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and auger out our debris that our dust collector has collected. First thing we want to do is make sure our butterfly valve is open, and then next thing we want to make sure to do is pull out our lever for our hydraulic fluid to flow through our motor. This is going to pull all the debris out, and you're going to drop into some kind of super sack or anything to remove the debris. If you have a clog with the auger, you can motion this back and forth to kind of jimmy it loose to make sure you can get all the debris out. And that is the startup and shutdown of the 20,000 CFM dust collector.